Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the crypto market is pumping today, especially we see altcoins in green. So my name is Mike Denkline from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should say that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, smash those likes, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, push the bell notification on, and let's follow us on Twitter and also join our Telegram. So let's dive deep into, let's share my screen and let's go and check the bubble chart, what the bubble chart is showing to us. We see that most of the altcoins are in green, especially Aave, IOTEX, YFI, Gala, Curve, Luna, SCRT, FTX, Avalanche, and yeah, so Curve. So great to see. SafeMoon 1, Moonbeam, DCR are just correcting, but Moonbeam rallied really well. Moonbeam is up 20% in a month, so that's huge. And Moonbeam is part of the Polkadot ecosystem. Bitcoin is up almost 1% at 43,500. Ethereum is up also 1%, traded about 3,300. And Binance coin is up 2.4%, traded around 500. And also Binance coin is up in a week 18%. So guys, that looks really good for me. Let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It seems it's flattening out. Yeah, it is at 23. It's still in the extreme fear zone. Yesterday it was at 21, and also the day before the same level. So we are just witnessing that it's flattening out, but it was as low as 10 a week ago. And guys, just remember during summertime, in the summer dump, the index went as low as 10 4 or 5 times and then bounced there. And also, as the rally started in August, the crypto fear turned to crypto greed in August. And guys, there is a saying from Warren Buffett that be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. So when investors are getting so fearful that it is always good buying opportunity. So let's go to our first news and let's check what miners are doing. Bitcoin miners can take fresh 20% BTC price hit before capitulating, data shows. Miner capitulation behind worst BTC price tips. So we already got the information that the miners selling. So they are accumulating and they are holding their Bitcoins. The worst dumps Bitcoin ever had were due to miners' capitulation December 2018 and March 2020, when BTC fell below production cost. It is a risk for miner capitulation, he added in comments. BTC was at risk for miner capitulation at 30,000 US dollar in May. The current production cost is 34,000 US dollar, 20% below current price. Let's make this bigger. So this is the Bitcoin price, and in the red zone you see the miners capitulation when actually they are in profit with their freshly earned Bitcoins. Mining shrugs of spot price moves this year. Hash rate is at all-time high. So just check it out, 220 extra hash per second, almost that reached. And also after the China mining ban, the hash rate recovered really, really well. So let's go to our next news. Max Kaiser predicts that G7 country will start mining Bitcoin. Yes, what a prediction. So Germany, UK, US, France, Canada, maybe this is not France, but yeah, France, Italy, and Japan. So these are the G7s. I think once a country in the G7 starts to accumulate and mine Bitcoin, I will be set off like a space race. Okay. And he says that 100% guaranteed certainty. Astrology for man, I would rather be a day early than a day late with doing this. And Bitcoin to infinity, they are not going to taper, they are going to print. So he is referring to money printing of central banks. Cool. Let's go to our next news. Rio de Janeiro. That was the news that will Rio de Janeiro hold 1% of its reserves in Bitcoin. And what's Rio crypto? So that was news that Rio de Janeiro will invest 1% of the city's holdings in crypto, not just Bitcoin, but in crypto. And let's find out if this will be invested in crypto or in Bitcoin or in other crypto. And what else do we have? Rio de Janeiro will publish this Friday a decree establishing working group to deal with issue of buying Bitcoin for the city reserves. So it seems that they are buying Bitcoin. We are going to launch Crypto Rio, invest 1% of the treasury in cryptocurrency, said Binance, who is publishing a decree on Friday establishing a working group on the topic. Cool. Today's world revolves much more around a network of cities, that so-called global cities. Miami and Rio are global cities attracting people, functions, and organizations. This international dialogue is very important. And guys, a 10% discount in taxes if you are paying in crypto. In an interview with the newspaper O Globo, the secretaries Pedro Paulo of the Treasury and Chico Bulheos of Economic Development and Innovation explained how the plan the tax deduction. So that will be a discounted 10% tax reduction to those that be paying that tax in crypto. Crypto Rio de Janeiro's digital currency will also be able to have expand resources for strategic projects in the city. The experts will also assess the possibility of the municipality making treasury investments in cryptocurrencies. The results of the studies will be released by the working group within 90 days from the publication of the decree. So, guys, I cannot wait to move to Rio, move to El Salvador, and going around, and also to Miami and Portugal and Dubai and all the crypto cities. So, next piece of news is Northwest Arkansas offers 10,000 US dollar in Bitcoin to people who settle in the region. Okay, so also we should go to Northwest Arkansas. The Northwest Arkansas Council is willing to give a 10,000 US dollar worth of BTC to tech professionals and entrepreneurs move to live in the region. So, guys, if you are living in the US, you should definitely just move to North Arkansas. We are offering remote tech professionals and entrepreneurs 10,000 US dollars in Bitcoin to bring your talents to the region. Why Bitcoin? Northwest Arkansas is experiencing explosive growth in the tech sector, specifically within blockchain-enabled technologies, and this incentive embraces the growing trend of cryptocurrency as a payment option by employers. I have friends whose lives have been completely changed, like going from working a regular 9 to 5 job to being worth of $80 million in a matter of few years. So they are working on a Bitcoin startup. So that's huge news. So guys, let's move to Northwest Arkansas. I don't know what's the city there, but let's just find out. Northwest Arkansas. Yeah, maybe this is the name of the city. Let's go to our next news. Australian Open joins to Metaverse by partnering with Decentraland. Australian Open teamed up with Decentraland to hold this year's tournament virtually too. So Australian Open is a tennis, tennis open play. So with this next wave of technology, global tennis fans will have the opportunity to be part of the 2022 Australian Open in a way never before available, said Craig Tiley. And the tournament will going on. Best of all, you can earn NFT badges and exclusive limited supply collections of Samsung Decentraland wearables to customize your avatars. So also Samsung is coming into the picture as they are already in the metaverse and they will serve this Australian Open tournament with some NFTs. Next piece of news is venture capital guru planning almost 1 billion US fundraising haul to invest in crypto report. Okay, so let's check this. I will, of course, collaborate with them. They are like family. As a board partner, I will continue to work on managing the existing A16Z crypto portfolio and will keep my board seats. So this is Haun. Haun is leaving Anderson Horowitz and will continue to work with the venture capital firm. So he's leaving, but we'll continue to work with them, and we will Kathy Haun, the venture capital guru Kathy Haun, and she is raising 800 million for 2 cryptocurrency funds following her departure from Anderson Horowitz. So she started at Anderson Horowitz and did a great job in crypto. Dogecoin enters the real estate segment. Washington's Gig Harbor developer will take cryptocurrency. Okay, so the company plans to accept more than a dozen types of digital currency and Dogecoin. Cool. Next piece of news is Panther Capital projects that Ethereum will facilitate 50% of all global transactions in 10 years. Cool. With the growth of DeFi protocols, the hedge fund's chief investment officer believes the decentralized finance will become the linchpin of the investments and financial development sectors in the future. Okay, sounds good. Gas fees and why you should care. Also, Ethereum getting Ethereum 2.0, all right, would doubtless be significant in establishing the network's dominance over the cryptoverse. So this is definitely huge. So they expect 50% of the global transactions will be in Ethereum. Next piece of news is JPMorgan shares predictions on crypto markets, Ethereum's upgrades, DeFi, NFTs. Okay, so according to JPMorgan, the applications from crypto have only just begun. Web 3.0 greater use of NFTs tokenization are in the line of sight for 2022. DeFi was a bit of a flop in 2021, but still has strong potential in 2022 and beyond. So guys, DeFi and NFTs. The use cases for crypto markets will continue to grow and new projects and tokens will more and different use cases will surface. As such, we see cryptocurrency markets as increasingly relevant to financial services. Increasing relevant to financial services. So guys, this is how this industry is evolving. Next piece of news is Top Ethereum whales load up on Polygon, MATIC, and Chainlink as crypto market recovers. So a whale is buying Ethereum, Polygons, MATIC, and Chainlink. Data shows that both MATIC and Link have moved up over the last 30 days by 12 and 33% respectively, while BTC dropped nearly 13% over the same period. So MATIC went up and Link went up, and Ethereum whales are buying both MATIC and Link. Next piece of news is breaking news. Polygon unveils recursive snark plonkies 2 that's 100 times faster. MATIC jumps 3%. So Polygon developers they unveil the world's fastest ZK scaling technology, Plonkies 2. This is a part of Polygon Zero mission that use zero knowledge proofs to scale the Ethereum blockchain to a billion users. Ethereum blockchain to a billion users. Plonky 2 combines Plonk and FRI for the best of stars with fast proofs and no trusted setup, and the best of snarks with support for recursion and low verification cost on Ethereum. So this is helping Ethereum, and that is why we like Polygon. Next piece of news is ascending channel pattern sets Polygon MATIC up for a potential 30% rally. So guys, MATIC looks for a new record highs, and that was when AIP 155.9 rollout of the testnet, and MATIC is surging. Why Polygon remains a better version of Ethereum in terms of lower transaction cost, it is also the delight of retail investors with respect to its low price at this time when compared with Ethereum or other smart contracts network, and MATIC is surging in this rising channel. So this is a good continuation to trade it to the upside of the range. So guys, let's our Telegram. You find the link in the description. We have the contracts also on Ethereum, on Binance Smart Chain, and you will find some useful information. Also our daily news, Bitcoin legal tender and Tonga, and all other news that you find here in the Telegram. And also we come out with some CorionX and NFT related news, but I don't want to spoil too much information, so definitely follow all our channels and also follow CorionX on Twitter. So let's go back and let's check what's going on my Twitter feed. Yes, so this is from Max Kaiser. The G7 country will start mining Bitcoin, and also this is where the miners are having their zero break-even points. So it's still much lower than the current price, and also the first largest Bitcoin wallet just added 1,200 Bitcoin, almost 52 million US dollar at 33,000 average price. So this is what he added from 10th of January. So this is huge that the first biggest whale is still buying Bitcoin and still accumulating. Watch this from yesterday. So this is the giveaway on FTX, and can't wait for the Laserpunk Gods launchpad to top up on FTX. So guys, what is this Laserpunk Gods? Yeah, just something we are proving. So yes, so happy to see that we are evolving. Let's visit our farms on Binance Smart Chain and also on Ethereum, and definitely you can earn up to 330% APR. So let's come and join our farms for 330% APRs. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Share this video with your friend, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Sunday.